excited because I am doing an Amazon video today. As you can see by the title of this video, I don't know if I did an Amazon video like once and I thought, why not do another one? Guys, sometimes I question what the Amazon guy thinks, like the delivery man, because truly, it's insane how much I order on Amazon. I'm addicted. I know I could order it today and I'm gonna get it tomorrow. It doesn't get better than that. So today I thought I could do a video on $5 products that you need. I did my digging, you guys. Like, these are really cool products. So let's get straight into this video. So this is the silicone hair scalp massager shampoo brush. I use this in the shower when I'm shampooing because I actually have a bunch of like extensions in my hair, you guys. So when I get in the shower and I'm like trying to, you know, shampoo my hair, my nails get like caught in there and stuff with all my extensions. So this really gets in there and makes sure that I really, you know, get every inch. Raul's always taking it from me, huh, Raul? It's great for like the hair products to stimulate your scalp and stuff. Oh my gosh. This is a little random, but look at these pens. I just noticed there's pumpkins on top of these. So these are these super cute pens that come with these toppers, and they kind of look like erasers and they even feel like erasers, but I don't think they're erasers because they're like actual pens. And it comes with 12. On top of that, it's like that felt material. Whoa. I got a defective one. All right, you know what? It's okay. I got 12 of them. When I saw them, I was like, okay, they're under $5. Like, they're probably like really cheap, you know? But when I got them in the mail, I was like, oh my god, these are actually really high quality pens. They're just like these cute little animals and they're just squishy and adorable. And it comes with a set of 12, so I was like, this is an absolute steal. I love to have a notebook on me at all times, and one of my biggest icks about myself is that I'm always like losing my notebooks, or like they're just everywhere. I have a few here at the warehouse because I always like to take physical notes. Like for me, I feel like I need to take physical notes with a pen. I found this brush set on Amazon and it's all I need. I use a brush like this when it comes to ponytails, especially like on my daughter, to like really get all those like hairs. And then the comb, you know, to like split and everything. This is for baby hairs, so you have everything that you need. Like, these look so high quality as well, you guys. And they're also really like thin and stuff. I feel like you could just throw these in your bag. Obsessed. You gotta have these, girl. You gotta have these. Speaking of hair, I am obsessed with this product. I've actually seen it all over TikTok. I've seen a bunch of influencers like raving about it all the time. And it is a wax stick. You just push up and all you do is like do this, you know, to get your baby hairs down. It's kind of like using something like gel or, you know, whatever you would use on your hair, except this is not gonna leave like the residue. Like, it's literally just a wax stick. Also, when I'm doing my daughter's hair, like, this is perfect to like, you know, get all the edges together and just like it's everything. For the flyaways, perfect. Even when you have your hair down, to get those flyaways down, putting your hair in a slick pony, like, this is really gonna do it for you. I'm sure you've seen people talk about this. Guys, I had to buy slime on Amazon. The prices are just like really good on there, and I was like, hold on, I gotta see what this is about, because I'm like, wait a dang minute, girl. Like, so this is what I got in the mail. I will say it smells like toothpaste. I think that they were going for like a mint chocolate vibe, missing the chocolate. Okay. I could tell it's not homemade slime, obviously. Like, I could tell it's like manufactured stuff, but I will say I like how stretchy it is. Ooh. I'm really impressed with the stretch, because a lot of times, like, when something claims to be a butter slime in stores or like manufactured slime, a lot of times it's kind of like it's just clay. This is not just clay. Okay, come on, Amazon slime. I got this spray bottle that's like a mister. You're kidding. I love it so much. And I've just been wanting to get my hands on one for my daughter's hair, like specifically for her hair, because whenever I brush her hair, I always want to go in with water, and a lot of times I'll just like end up with a cup and just dipping my hands in the cup and getting it in her hair. And I've bought many spray bottles before, like empty ones, obviously, duh. Like just like the typical ones, and like they're cool and all, but something about the way that this sprays, it's like a mist. It goes on for a bit, like
a long spray.
I love this. Like, it's just something about a mist, the way it mists. Like, I don't know how to explain it.
An even coat.
And it's amazing. I love it. I love it. You guys, I found the coolest sunglasses, a pack of 4, by the way. And these are not your typical wonky little glasses. Like they look really good quality. And they're also really nice. Look at this. Girl, let's try them on, girl. Like, how cute are these? We got these green ones, which are such a vibe. Y'all, that's kind of crazy. Like, Amazon, how do y'all profit? Like, for real. Y'all, I can't do it. They're so cute. And then you got like the black ones, like the everyday. I'm like, girl, it doesn't get better than this. If you don't go get yourself some sunglasses. Like, if I got somewhere to be tomorrow, I'm like, should I go to the store or should I just Amazon Prime it? Okay, another like beauty product. So I got these sponges, like the powder puffs, and these are just amazing. I love these so much. I love having my beauty blender, you know, for makeup and stuff, but when it comes to like the setting powder, I love these because they're so precise and they're just like, It comes with 8 triangle powder puffs. Okay, this is a product that I actually saw TikTok convince me to buy. One thing about me is I fall for everything on TikTok. And this is activated charcoal toothpaste. But I saw it on TikTok, and you know how it is? Like, charcoal has always been said to be amazing for teeth whitening. It says, whitens teeth by removing surface stains, helps to remove plaque with regular brushing. Wait, it has fresh mint and coconut oil. It'll actually feel like toothpaste and leave your mouth refreshing, except it's charcoal. Love this. Okay, this tissue dispenser, I absolutely had to have it, and I will tell you right now that the first person I thought about was Raul, my husband. I was like, he's the kind that will carry a tissue box in the car and it'll just be like just flopping around the car. It comes with these like clips. You put it on the visor like that, and then you just like, guys, this is everything. Bro, this is gonna change your life.
Everything.
He is an allergy queen. Like the allergy queen. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I had to get some headbands, girl. So I thought these were really cute. I just feel like they're such a vibe. Like, I'm gonna start wearing them. Like, even if it's like right here, like maybe like separating your bangs and just kind of like, you know, you know the vibes, girl. You know what I'm trying to do. Can't even see it on my head, but like, how cute are they, guys? And I also thought about my daughter, because like she has like a lot of hair, and sometimes I want to style her hair down, but like we want to get the hair out of the face. So love. I got the cutest box cutters ever. These are these super cute little clouds, and then there she goes.
They're dangerous.
And it pops back in. I love that.
For safety.
That's actually amazing, because I'm not gonna lie, when I started popping it out, I was like, oh, it's a little scary. I love the safety precautions. Like, it just, you have to hold it like this, you know, to open your package, and then it just pops right back in. And they're so cute, and they're so little. Like, this is something I would just hold in my purse at all times. I love them. Oh my gosh, guys, you absolutely need these. Okay, so these are hand towels. It's kind of like a scrunchie, but it holds water from going down your arms.
Wrist towels too.
Wrist towels. What did I say?
Hand towels.
Hand towels. Girl, there was another pair in here. It came with 3 pairs, but I've already been using it at home, and it was pink. I should have brought them, but they're at home already all used up and dirty. These, you put them on your wrist like so, and when you're washing your face, the water's coming down, but it's not, because it's being held by this. What is it? Is it in human nature to just hate water going down your arms or what? Because it makes me cringe like no other. Like, I can't even think about washing my face sometimes because of the running water down my arms. Like, I hate it so much. It's such a huge ick. So when I discovered these, I was like, I need a million of them. Like, I just need everything. I need the whole inventory. And this is an absolute essential that you're gonna be using literally every day, girl. Speaking of hygiene and stuff, we got tongue scrapers, and it comes with 2. And I feel like this is like medical grade. Stop. 100% surgical stainless steel. These tongue scrapers are made of 100% surgical 304 stainless steel, make your tongue cleaning a refreshing experience, help you to get rid of bad breath caused by oral bacteria, blah, 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 blah. You gotta be scraping your tongue. I know that the toothbrushes like come sometimes with the back of it to like help, but it doesn't really do much. You need stainless steel surgical, I'm like, oh. You need this. You just gotta like, just get in there. 1 for me and 1 for Squish. Amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, I found jewelry on Amazon. Guys, these cute little dainty earrings, well, like the little hoops that you see everywhere right now, like I think I have some very similar to the ones that are in here, except these are like 10 bucks. Comes with 6 pairs, And these are the earrings that everybody's wearing right now. Like, they're super popular and they're usually like 10 bucks a pop at least, you guys. And they're so nice. These are like the everyday earrings, guys. Like the little chunky gold earrings. Like, I'm sure they're not real gold, obviously, but like, dude, like, would you be able to tell? No, you wouldn't. Go get them. Who cares? Look how cute they are. Are you kidding me? These look so similar to the ones I'm wearing right now. They're really similar. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're a steal. Like, they're such a steal. I had to show you guys. Like, they're not 5 bucks, but it comes with so many pairs. Oh my gosh, guys, I needed these cream applicators. It comes with 2. These are an absolute must for me. For me, let me tell you why I like stuff like this. Because I have nails, like my acrylics. And when it comes to like putting on, like, it sounds so stupid. You don't need it, but I do. It's so convenient. Like, I don't need it, but I want it, you know? So for me, like, whenever I grab, like, you know, moisturizer and stuff, it always gets stuck under my nails and I have to be like, to make sure I get it on my face. With this, I could just grab it straight on. Place it on like this. And also with skincare in general, like if you're putting on a face mask or you want a nice application, this right here is everything. Love these. The face shavers are an absolute must. It's crazy how cheap they are too. And like, it comes with so many of them and I'm never turning back, you guys. I've actually got several of these at home. They're great for, you know, like your facial hair, like just like the peach fuzz, like getting it off. I love taking off my peach fuzz because I feel like the skincare really absorbs nicely, and also like it just helps with makeup application and little mustache occasionally. We gotta get her out of the way. Even for my eyebrows, I love using it for my brows. Like if I don't want to pluck my brows and I'm lazy, I just go in there with these. Like, these are absolutely life-changing. Y'all, go get yours. Okay, so hair rollers in general have changed my life. Like, I just love them. They're actually usually hard to find because I feel like TikTok has really blown up like hair rollers because people want that like blown out look. So I found these on Amazon, different sizes. I believe it comes with 12 in total. These will help your hair come out so bouncy. I'm actually not wearing them right now, but whenever I really want that blown out look, like I'll curl my hair and then I'll take these and then I'll do like my bangs up here. I'll roll them up and I do like this section right here. And every time I do it, people will ask me like, what do you do to your hair to get it like with so much volume? Especially if you have like curtain bangs or just like layers and you add these in your hair, the volume is unreal. Like, I am not turning back. Oh my gosh. So I've been wanting to get this. Like, what do you call it? A meat chopper or what? Okay, you know when you're cooking ground beef or just ground meat in general, where you're going in with a spoon, you have to like break it up and stuff. This is made specifically for that. This is incredible. This is like one of my favorite kitchen gadgets and it's literally just like a meat chopper. I've been using it like literally almost every day. I love this. Okay, lash extensions. The evolution of lashes has changed a lot over the years. I feel like in 2016, 2017, we were here for the big, bold lash. And in 2023, we're here for the clean girl aesthetic. We love the lash extension look, but we want them very minimal and just like super cute at the edges. So these right here, these are from Kiss and these are the Falscara, and these are kind of like individual, but they're not individual. They're like small chunks and you place them at the end of your lashes and it gives you the most natural wispy look. No strips, no damage, no mistakes. People usually apply them under the lash and they just look so natural and so pretty and so effortless, you guys. Y'all need these. I got a few more beauty products. So this right here, this is supposed to be for oily, your oily face. I don't even know like what it's called though. It kind of looks like chalk. Let me see if you guys could see a difference. I don't know how oily I am right now, but it like takes off the oil. Is it doing it? I don't know if you guys can see what's going on. Listen guys, I don't know how oily I am right now, but this basically like takes the shine away and it's tiny, super travel friendly. Just throw it in your bag. I got the cutest Stanley straw covers ever. Look at my little Stanley straw cover, guys. It's a little cloud and it comes with 3. It comes with a white little cloud, comes with a blue cloud, and it comes with a pink cloud. Like, how adorable are these? Like, stuff like this, I live for it. Did I need them? Yes, I absolutely did. Like, they're so freaking cute. Ah, everybody needs to carry some kind of hairbrush in their bag. And guys, there's landscaping going on. Are they chopping a tree down? What's going on here? This is so convenient. Also, why is it shaped like a cute little mango? Tiny. Literally, like almost all these products you can just throw in your bag and they don't take up much space. Not only is it a brush, It's a mirror. Like, this is all you need. Close it up. Bam. Tiny. An absolute must right here. So what is it about lip stains and lip oils that we're like obsessed about right now? We don't care for lipstick anymore. We don't care for lip liner. We don't care for any of that. All we want is a lip tint and some lip oil. This one is CoverGirl Clean Fresh, and that's all it says. I'm trying it on. Oh my gosh, I love. This is all you need nowadays. And let me show you what I got. What else I got? Lip oil, lip glow oil, color reviver, cherry oil. Yes, absolutely. The wand, love it. This on top of some like tinted lip balm. Stop it. This is all I need. Like lip liner, who, lipstick, who. Wow, wow. Like obsessed. TikTok. You girlies keep me young. I love you so much. All under $5? Are you joking? Amazon is dangerous. Listen, y'all, I'm gonna link all of these down below in my description box. Head over to my Amazon storefront right now and get these products, girl. I don't even know which one I would recommend the most. Like, I genuinely think these are like actual must-have essentials. Like, these are, you need these, girl. Comment down below if there's any other products that you guys think I should try, because I live, breathe, love Amazon. It's getting so loud out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.